Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve Wi-Fi problem in our Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to solve and guys you want to reset your Wi-Fi settings, so guys you can reset it. And guys, now let's see how to solve Wi-Fi problem in Motorola phone device. In this video guys, I will show you. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to solve your Wi-Fi problem. Guys, your Wi-Fi problem. So friend, first of all you can see that this phone system setting is second last option. Tap here advanced reset option, reset Wi-Fi first. So you can see your Wi-Fi reset setting. So guys tap here again, click here, please wait. Network setting has been reset in your Motorola phone. Then guys you can use your Wi-Fi without any problem setting guys. After that guys you have problem in your Wi-Fi settings, so guys don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.